Hello, welcome to DirectCreate, where we collectively make good things happen for you. Just so you know, DirectCreate is India's first digital platform that connects local makers of India to global buyers. It basically creates an organic connection between makers, designers, and buyers. This video is to show you how one can collaborate with makers and designers in four different ways. For that, join our community and register yourself. You can select a member type by either selecting I'm a designer or I'm a buyer, or you can even select both. Fill up all these essential details along with your correct mobile number for us to contact you further. Accept the terms and conditions, and you can also sign up for a newsletter. Anything new with Direct Create, you'll always be the first one to know about it. Facing any kind of issue with registration, send an issue report to us, or else continue. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials and go to your dashboard. This is how a buyer's dashboard will look like. So here we'll be talking about how you can collaborate in four different ways with Direct Create. The first one is crafts, discover, shop, and projects. All these verticals we'll explore one by one to make it easy for you to collaborate with us. So let's start with crafts. It is basically a visual library of all the crafts that we have on a platform from across India. So, this gives you an overview and can guide you to explore and learn more about any of the crafts that you like across India. So, if you happen to like any of the crafts, you can click on the craft details to know more about it. Here, we'll take an example of Ajrak printing. Here you can see its location where it belongs from Gujarat, and the details, the material and technique that is being used here, and also the showcase work. So if you happen to collaborate with this craft, click on the collaborate button. Fill up your details, and you can also upload a reference image for us. So if you have another image that is not on Direct Create, you can upload that, or if you happen to like any of the product from Direct Create, save it and upload it here. Now describe your requirements. Here you need to tell us more about what are you exactly looking for. So either you want to have a different color of this particular craft or design another, uh, and you can also basically create with this Ajrak printing. You can even create your shirts, or you can start your own collections based on it. So this is what you need to describe here. Here, give us the approximate order quantity that you would want to order, and the order value that you are willing to pay for that particular craft. Give us the lead time, by what time do you want it delivered, and send a request to us. So after you send a request to us, our design team of Direct Create will get in touch with you shortly, and you can tell them about what is it that you're actually looking for. Now let's start with Discover. Now, Discover is the vertical where we give access to 100 designers and makers profile for free DC members. Here you can collaborate with makers and designers directly. You can also view their profile, their previous projects that they have worked on, and the products that they offer. Here when you collaborate with makers and designers, you are collaborating with them profile wise. For the crafts, it was basically craft wise. Now let's take a look on how the profile of a designer or makers look like. Here you can see their personal details, the skills that they offer, the location where they belong from. Look here. So here it's the crafts, materials, and the techniques that they use. Showcase is basically where the projects that they have worked on earlier. and the products that they offer. Now, if you happen to like any of the product or you want to collaborate with DC Studio, click on the collaborate button and fill up the details. So here if you go by product wise that the maker or designer is offering, you'll already see the product image and the details of it will be filled automatically. Now if you have any reference image that you want to upload, you can do that. And you can see here the materials and the craft techniques, everything is already mentioned here. Now if you want to go for sampling rounds, you can go for that. Here are the core added services and value added services that we provide. The payment terms also have many options. Fill up all these details and click on the submit. After you've hit the submit button, our team at DC will get in touch with you shortly. Now here you have collaborated with DC profile wise. Now let's take a look the next vertical, that is shop. Here in this, you'll be collaborating with DC product wise. So in this section, we have gathered all the products by makers and designers and created a collection out of it. So let's see if we take a look at this collection. Here you will see all the products related to this particular collection. Now, if you happen to like any of the products in this collection, you can always collaborate and buy the product. Now, if you click on buy button, this is the dashboard that you will be getting. Now, if you want to customize or start a project, now for this indigo pot, if you want to customize it the way that you require, you can always do that and start a project with us. And if you wish to see who is selling this particular kind of craft, you can even view their profile and shop. Now that you have started a project with us, this is the interface that you'll be receiving, which is same as the profile collaboration. Fill up all these details and hit the submit button. Now here you will be collaborating with DC product wise. Now let's take a look how you can start a project with us. Now let's take a look at a fourth vertical, projects. This is basically our strongest suit. Here with just a few clicks, it helps our customers to collaborate, customize and start a project with us. Now if you want to take a spin and look through our previous projects that you've already worked on, you may get an idea of what is it that we're talking about. Now if you happen to renovate your house, your building, or even plan a wedding for you, you are at the right place. We assist in executing your ideas from scratch. In this, our team of craft experts helps give your idea a shape. Now, creating something new with DirectCreate is the best thing ever. If you go to the bottom of the page, you can fill up these essential details wherein you give your name, your phone number, and the message that you want to convey to us. It can be about the requirements or the project that you are thinking to collaborate with DC. Send the request to us and our team of design experts will get in touch with you. In this pandemic, many of our livelihoods have been impacted, and so it did for our craftsmen. In order to combat that, we at DirectCreate launched a campaign, Empowerment Through Craft. Now, with the festive season blooming in, we started a new project with gifting ideas. In this, we have more than over 15 plus gifting collections that we can help deliver anywhere across India to your loved ones. You can select from the collection or you can even create your own with just 3 steps. We at DC hope to make a difference this year with our campaign for our makers. I hope you found this video very helpful and we'll be happy to assist you in any way we can. We love what we do and we can't wait to share it with you. Till then, see you online.